Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can find deleted apps on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get to our topic. And for this, open the App Store app on your iPhone. Then in the top right corner, go to your image. And then go to the app apps. And here you'll see a complete list of all the apps that you have on your phone, either that you've ever downloaded or that you've deleted. The deleted app will look next to the app. There's a cloud like that, which will indicate that the app has been deleted from your device. And let's say, if you'd like to download any of the apps, then you'll need to tap on that sign in order to download the app back. In the same way, you'll be able to remove some of the apps that you have here from this list if you need to. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily find the deleted app on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.